How to fix Marvel sound problem. Hello guys, if you have sound problem on your game, we will try to fix it today. Let's start. Open the settings of your phone, click on apps option and search for Marvel and click. So after that, scroll down this list, click add storage and click on clear cache. Here just back, click add force stop and click OK. And you move directly to Play Store or App Store and update Marvel. Restart here now your device, and that's all what you should do. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next tutorial.